Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you basically how to set a Spotify song as a ringtone for both Android and iPhone. So for iPhone, you can just go ahead and open up your own, Spotify, right? And let's say, for example, you want to use that song as a ringtone. So what you're going to do, you're going to record your screen. This feature available in both Android and iPhones. So you can just go swipe up to your control center and then go ahead and start recording your screen and then play that song to whatever part or whatever favorite part that you have, because basically Spotify doesn't allow or doesn't have that feature of making songs into ringtones. So all you gotta do is basically screen record, and basically after you save that screen record, you can convert it to an audio by going to a website that allows you to turn video into audio, right? And basically go to any of these free websites, and then you're gonna be able to download the audio and make it your ringtone. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.